This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter element renewal. Remove the trim panel at the side of the centre console. Release the fasteners and withdraw the fascia lower trim from beneath the glove box. Slide the pollen filter housing cover downwards from the heater unit to remove it along with the element. Fit the new element, observing the airflow direction marked on the filter. Then refit the access cover, making sure that the locating lugs are fitted correctly in the housing. If any of the lugs have been broken off, fit a screw into the cover to make sure it is secure. Refit the footwell panel and secure it in position by turning the fasteners. Refit the trim panel at the side of the centre console, pushing it back into position until it clips into place.